It's an interesting period in the markets right now. We're going through a number of transitions. So, looking back now, probably about 18 months ago, and it's always hard to identify these things when they're occurring. But you seem to have had the turn in the bond market. So we've moved from a what has been a multi-decade bull market for bonds. We could still debate whether or not we're in a true bear market, but about 18 months ago or so, you hit the low in yield for the 10-year, and we've now moved up, order of magnitude, almost 200 basis points off the lows, not quite, and that is, a pretty big turnaround. And so what you're seeing in that transitioning point is some of the hedge fund strategies coming back into favor after a period where it was very difficult to make money. Likewise, in the equity markets, you've also seen now a consolidation phase. The straight run up that we had been in really over the last 2 years, came to a very quick end at the end of 2017, coming into 2018. We had a reintroduction of significant volatility, and with that, you've started to see a lot of the alternative strategies coming back into favor. So, another way to look at that is people talk about active managers and passive managers, and we're coming out of a very good period for passive management, a lot of flow of funds into the ETF marketplace. And now you're starting to see some, cracks in the passive management strategies and a shift back towards active. And hedge fund managers, by definition, are some of the most active, folks out there. And so last year was a pretty good year for the industry as a whole, coming off of 2 difficult years in 15 and 16, 17. Quite good performance. Certainly our portfolios, we feel pretty good about how they performed during last year. And this year off to a very good start, both for the industry and here at SkyBridge, where every month this year has been positive. Every month last year was positive.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about SkyBridge Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolios Series G and the SkyBridge G2 Fund, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.